Hello and welcome to the Cloud Council. Today we're discussing how to create a fast-paced business, and I am delighted to be joined by Mayank Prakash and Madhu Babuta. What data is essential to you as CIOs in the beginnings and throughout a change management program?
So data has come a really long way from providing insight to driving change, to driving effective change. It has come a very long way. I find machine learning is clearly opening up new possibilities. Certainly reinforcement machine learning algorithms are growing across industries, and that is full of potential. But for me, the one guiding bit of data that matters is the user feedback. So what's the feedback? How did it work? So that you can have a learning culture that learns from that feedback and iterates to get better. It is rare to see something being perfect in version 1. But if you can iterate something 500 times, it's very rare for it not to exceed customer expectations.
Thank you. And Madhu, what data do you start with in your programs and change journeys?
So data for me is the heart and soul of the start of the journey. It's really important to know, again, on time, cost, quality, what are you attacking? What are you trying to get better? That gives you a measure, gives you a yardstick. It tells you where you were, where you want to go. And once you think you've achieved a milestone, you look back and say, did I get there? However, having said all that, that's kind of, for me, the mathematical, analytical part is super important. But actually, in a change, it's not about data. It's about people. It's about psychology. It's about how people perceive and think about the change. In fact, the most analytically presented change will become completely meaningless to people if it's not couched in a language that they can emotionally relate to. So for me, kind of, change and transformation, even though we are computer scientists, we are all technologists, we understand binary, noughts and ones, 2 to the 32 and all the rest of it. But actually, IT change, because you're interacting with it right now, Mark, you and I are interacting as humans through this machine, and it's kind of the psychological, the feeling is what's more important than the analytical, even though the analytical bit is the bedrock of it. That's my takeaway.
Mayank and Madhu, thank you for your insight and advice. And thank you for watching.